Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to describe the transformation that has occurred in each of the following diagrams. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. In the first example, we are to describe fully the single transformation which maps shape A to shape B. In this example, we are dealing with translation, and translation is the total movement of the shape on the Cartesian plane, left, right, up or down. So a quick recap: if the shape moves upwards, then that is positive. If the shape is moving downwards, that is negative. If the shape is moving towards the right, that is positive. And the shape is moving towards the left, that is negative. So in the first example, in order to figure out which direction the shape is moving, I'm going to pick a corner or a vertex of the first shape. I'm moving from shape A to shape B. So if I pick the highlighted vertex or corner and I'm counting, I start with the x-axis. The shape has moved 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 units to the right. So in order to write that down, I'm going from shape A. The transformation is from x, y, to shape B. For my x values, it has moved 5 units to the right. So that means I have x plus 5. And then for my y, I'm using the same point, but you can see there's no transformation upwards or downwards. The shape is still on the same line. So what that means is my y values remain the same. Another way of writing that is to say the shape has only moved 5 units to the right. There's no movement up or down. Let's look at the second example. In the second example, I'm moving or translating from shape A to shape B. I just need to pick any of the vertex or edges. I'm going to use the one highlighted as shown. And starting with my x-axis, I have from shape A going from x, y to shape B. The translation or transformation that has occurred for my x-axis, if I see or check, you can see that nothing has changed for my x-axis. I'm still on the same line. So therefore, there is no movement on my x-axis. The x remains the same. So I'm going to leave that as x. However, the shape has moved upwards. That's a positive movement. And I need to count by how many. So the shape has moved 1, 2, and 3 units upwards. Note that you maintain the same corner with the second shape. So that's going to be y, because it's moving upwards. That's y plus 3. Another way of writing that is to say the shape has translated 3 units up, because that is a positive movement. In the last but not the least example, I'll start by picking any of the corners and highlight that. Now, on my x-axis, the shape has moved. How many units? I'm going to draw a line to figure that out. So it's moving from A to B, and that looks like 1 unit to the right. So that means the shape has translated 1 unit right in order to align with the same corner or with the same vertex for shape B. So what that means is I have x plus 1 because it's moving towards the right. And then for my y-axis, the shape has moved. I'm using the same point. It has moved how many units upwards? I'm going to take that out. So I have 1, 2, and 3. I'm stopping at 3 because it has aligned with the same corner or with the same vertex as my B. I'm picking the same point on both shapes. So that is y upwards, that's plus 3. So if I'm to describe that, I have it has moved 1 unit right and 3 units up. Thanks for watching. Bye.